Shiba Inu Coin price predictions, I've never seen a bearish one. You know, back in 2021 when Shiba Inu Coin was rising to the all-time highs, analysts out there were saying that this is a meme coin. Shiba Inu Coin must fall back down. It has zero fundamental value and therefore it will decline back to zero because that's its fundamental value. Now, no matter what price analytics firm you're looking at, whether it's AI, whether it's actually human done, everybody is bullish on Shiba Inu Coin's long term. We're going to be talking about an article I came across on the Watcher Guru this morning, talking about Shiba Inu Coin with a 3,600% price increase potential. Now, I believe that this is legitimate, but it is giving it a very, very long time frame from right now. So we'll talk about the dates that they're discussing, and also, I guess I'll justify it in a way that they don't do in the article. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Look, I read these articles, and they try to get me excited. And I know that they do that for you to click on and read it. I know that the videos that are out there, SHIB going to a penny, is made for you to click on it, and so on. And I feel that when you guys watch these videos as well. You know, these price predictions are always fantastic. They're always bullish. And because the articles essentially just put those prices out there and don't necessarily tell you how, I feel like it's, you know, part of an obligation to try and justify it in some way. Sometimes, if you can't justify it, people call that FUD. They call it bearish. If you can justify it, well, that's what I'm going to try my best to do in this video. So looking at this one, this is on the Watcher Guru here, and it says Shiba Inu Coin is forecasted to rise 3,600%. Here's when. Now, 3,600% is a 36x increase. So if you invested $1,000 right now, it would turn into $36,000. If you have $10,000 invested into Shiba Inu Coin right now, it would turn into $360,000. If somehow you have $100,000 invested in Shiba Inu Coin, it would turn into $3.6 million by this time frame. And you know what? The time frame's 2050. I'm just going to get that out of there, and we're going to go through this article so you guys got it. But it's a very, very long period of time. And I'll be the first to say, nobody on this whole planet knows what's going to be happening in 2050. The technological advances that we've seen over the last 27 years are going to be trumped like crazy over the next 27 years. So please do not take any of this as being gospel. 27 years in terms of technological advancement is insane. So they could do this and they could get away with it, and they could say Shiba Inu Coin is going to be trading at $100 a coin in 27 years because 27 years is way too much time to really legitimize anything. So Shiba Inu Coin is currently trading around 700 points per coin at the threshold there, and is showcasing little to no growth in its indices. SHIB failed to spike in price during the launch of Shibarium in mid-August of this year, and the hype of the Layer 2 network has fizzled out post-release. But without any major catalysts, what are price analytics firms looking at? It says, however, the picture is different when it comes to the long term. A leading on-chain metric and price prediction firm has painted a rosy picture for Shiba Inu Coin. In this article, we will analyze when SHIB could reach a new all-time high and chalk the odds of the token delivering handsome returns to investors. Shiba Inu Coin forecasted to rise 3,600%. According to the on-chain leading metric price prediction firm CoinCodex, their forecast is for Shiba Inu Coin to rise 3,600% from its current levels and reach, what is this, 1/100th of a cent, 3 zeros and a 1 by 2050. Dude, nobody's going to remember this article in 2050. Therefore, a $1,000 investment could turn into $36,000 in the next 27 years. Now, that is still fantastic. If Shiba Inu Coin 36x's over a 27-year period, you're essentially making a load of money, and it's slow and steady. Wins the race in that sort of a situation. Now, this article fails on one thing. Okay, it says if Shibarium fails to burn trillions of tokens every year, then Shiba Inu Coin hitting 1 cent might never turn into a reality, but you can read here how we can, and of course it's just going to tell you that Shibarium needs to burn. However, there is no guarantee that SHIB could reach the 100th of a cent level by 2050. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile, and they're throwing out their disclaimer right there. But here's what I want to say. By 2050, the cryptocurrency market should be legitimized. Legitimized in a way that institutional money has been flowing in for several decades, and legitimized in a way that retail investors think of it no different than the stock market. Legitimized in a way that people are very confident in what they now call internet money, or fake money, or magic money. Money that doesn't exist. Video game money. They've got all of these terms right now because they truly don't understand blockchain technology. And they truly don't understand what decentralized ledgers that are essentially safer and more secure than cash flow payments and banks and central authorities. But once they begin to grasp that, and they have decades of growth potential, and there's trillions of dollars flowing into the cryptocurrency space, it is absolutely feasible for Shiba Inu Coin to reach prices like that. Why? It doesn't mean that it's going to be sitting at a $1 trillion valuation. It doesn't mean that it's going to be sitting at crazy levels. It essentially means that Shiba Inu Coin would be sitting around a $150 billion valuation. And that's assuming no Shiba Inu Coin burns. So if you're looking at this article and thinking a 36x increase from these current levels is impossible, it's really not, guys. There are several cryptocurrencies that have reached the $100+ billion market cap. Shiba Inu Coin could absolutely be one of them in a bull market much sooner than 2050. These people write these articles and these price analytics firms shoot so far out because it's safe. It's not necessarily a prediction. It's never going to be challenged because by the time we do reach 2050, cryptocurrency could be thriving or cryptocurrency could be dead. But what we do know is nobody will remember this article 27 years from now. So they don't have to justify their answers, but hopefully I was able to justify it in a way that's easily understood. Cryptocurrency will see growth in general. The industry will grow over time, and Shiba Inu Coin will be along for the ride. The only thing that would stop SHIB from not reaching levels like that and not growing as time goes on is if the community fizzles out. That is the last thing we need, is for people to give up on Shiba Inu Coin. People never gave up on Bitcoin. People haven't given up on Ethereum. These coins that have been around for a decade, people have not given up on them. If you do not give up on Shiba Inu Coin, clearly it will stay around because any cryptocurrency is 100% speculative in nature, and therefore it is only as good as the people who support it. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.